Hey there, I'm Chris Kapansky, a Senior Product Specialist with Wealthbox. In this video, we're actually going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to make a flavorful drink using workflows in Wealthbox. We all know Wealthbox is a great tool for staying organized. Powerful and easy to use features like workflows help financial advisors build and grow their practice. In fact, workflows are actually one of the top features that have made Wealthbox the #1 CRM for financial advisors. Workflows are tailored for your practice. But to show off the flexibility of workflows and to help me prepare for a summer barbecue coming up, I've actually created a workflow that will help me create my favorite cocktail, the Mojito. In my Wealthbox workspace, I've actually created this workflow to help me go through the entire process and help me make sure that I don't miss any steps. So let's go ahead and start our workflow. As for the kitchen tools, I'm going to need a muddler, a cocktail mixer, and a couple serving glasses. Got them all. Now let's take a look at the ingredients. I'll need fresh mint. I'll need some limes for fresh lime juice. I also need some white rum, sparkling water, and some sort of sweetener. Since I have everything I need, our workflow now moves on to the next step and gives me a quick write-up of making what's called simple syrup at home. Using simple syrup is an amazing secret weapon to making cocktails. Since sugar doesn't dissolve in cold liquid, using simple syrup will allow us to sweeten our mojito without any of those sugar granules at the bottom of the glass. Making simple syrup is actually really easy. You just mix equal parts sugar and water, putting a cup of sugar into a cup of water here. You stir it up until it's fully combined. Then you can take it off the heat, let it cool off, and then you could put it in the fridge overnight. So I'll go ahead and pull it right back out before the party. So I'll see you then. It's party time. Let's finish these mojitos up. The first step here is to muddle the mint. This is a critical step in releasing the mint's aromatic oils and infusing our drink with flavor. Next up here is to squeeze in some fresh lime juice. You could either do this by hand or you could use a tool like this, but just make sure to catch any seeds so they don't fall into your drink. Now we're ready for the white rum and some of that simple syrup we made yesterday. Now let's go ahead and add some ice, and now we'll be ready to give it a good mix. You want to give this a really good shake to get the flavors of the mint, the lime, the rum, and the simple syrup to combine. All that's left now is to strain this into a glass, top it off with sparkling water, give it a good mix with our straw, and on to my favorite step, the taste test. It could use a little bit more of the simple syrup. Let's add another ounce into our cocktail mixer, give it another shake, make sure it's exactly where we want. Perfect. Now let's pour a couple into our serving glasses. We'll need our serving glasses filled with ice, and now we'll actually be able to pour the mojito. I'm not going to strain the mojito this time. I'm actually going to take a mixing spoon and mix it up a little bit just to get the mint that's in there mixed around a little bit. Now let's go ahead and pour that into the glasses. All right, now we'll go ahead and top it off with our sparkling water. Now let's give each glass a little bit more of a mix with our mixing spoon. This will allow the mint to actually get around the entire drink and looks a little bit better. And now we're ready for garnish. I'll top each glass with a lime wedge. Now we'll grab a couple more fresh mint leaves. And here's a little bit of a trick. If you slap the mint and roll it just slightly, this activates the aromatic oils within the fresh mint. Shout out to my brother that's always taught me this little trick. And we'll go ahead and add these fresh mint leaves to the top. And we're ready to serve. That's how I've been able to use Wealthbox workflows to create a mojito. The power of workflows is limitless. You can check out our Wealthbox library of workflows to gain some inspiration for your next workflow and help you build and grow your practice. Thanks for watching, and cheers. Cheers.